What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learning. In today's episode, I will teach you how to copy your Twitter profile link. So this one is pretty easy. You just need to follow my steps. You can pretty much do it. So first of all, you need to open your Twitter account on a website. So go to your Google Chrome and search Twitter and open it in your Chrome. And after you're on the website, just click the profile icon on the top left corner and go to your profile. Then when you're on your profile, you just need to click this one on the top side, and right there you will see your profile link. And if you want to copy that, just click the copy button right here on the middle. And that's it. You can now share it or paste it in your other social media accounts, or in, for example, Instagram. You can add it in your bio, and that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.